Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing these Valentine's nails. If you're interested, just keep watching, but first, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you. Let's start the video. First, I'm going to be painting my thumbnail, and I'm going to be using the shade Pink Smoothie by Gelish. After the first coat, I'll be baking that on for 10 seconds in the Gelish LED Gel Light. Now I'm going to be applying the second coat of that pink polish. Okay, after the second coat and I clean up around my nails a little bit, I'm going to be placing my hand under the gel light again for 10 seconds. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the Gelish top coat. And I'm going to be baking the top coat on for 20 seconds. Moving on, I'm going to be taking Brush On Gel by Kiss. This is basically glue that you paint on your nail. Now while the glue is still wet, I'm going to be taking little hearts and some glitter that I got from the Dollar Tree, and with that I'm going to start designing my nail. I'm going to be picking up the little hearts with some fine nose tweezers I got from Amazon. Now I'm going to be sprinkling some of the glitter onto my nails. You can apply as much or as little glitter as you want. Again, with the Gelish top coat, I'm going to be taking that and I'm going to be applying that on the nails I just did. And since these are kind of textured with glitter and stuff, I'm going to be really focusing on applying as much top coat needed to cover the full nail. I'm going to be baking that for 10 seconds. Now I'm going to be repeating some of the same steps I just did on the last two nails. On my pointer finger and my pinky nail, I'm going to be just applying the hearts. If you're going to be trying this at home, I suggest not to dump all the hearts and the glitter out like I did. Since the other nails are so extra, I'm going to be applying some small rhinestones I got off Amazon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.